Hello dear students, today I am here with the fourth part of the chapter urbanization. Hope all of you have seen the last three parts so that you will better understand the fourth part also. Here today I am going to explain about these 4 points. First one, that satellite city. Number 2, characteristic of satellite city. Number 3, smart city. And number 4, some smart cities of India. Obviously I will give some example of Indian satellite city and smart city of India. So here first we will get to know what is satellite. I think all of you have heard this term satellites when you have read solar system. You know, satellites always revolve around the planet, and some artificial satellite we used to send to the space. Obviously according to the name of the satellite we are using for our cities. So what is satellite city? Suppose, see here, this is a main city, and around this main city some small cities develop. Some small city develop. These cities, they will be close to the main city. These cities, they will be close to the main city, and they will be connected with a good that communication system, transported communication system with the main city. But they will be out of the limit of this main city. Here you are getting to see they are close, but they are not within the main city. They are close to the main city, but they are out of the limit of the main city and around this main city. This way the small cities can develop. So when the small city will be developed around the main city, these cities are known as satellite city. Here if you will see that in our country there are a number of this kind of satellite city developed. Like near Delhi, that Noida, Ghaziabad, Faridabad, Gurugram, these are the different satellite city have been developed. They are connected with the capital city by good and effective communication system, but they are out of the limit. Okay, out of the limit of the main city situated, and but close. Here if you will see that about the world, in that world also some this kind of satellite city we can see, like London. London is one of the populous city and populous city of the world, which is having the satellite city like Chelmsford. And New York also another main city of the world, and it is also having we can say it is also having some this kind of satellite city, different satellite city. So we can see in world and in our country that which cities is set up around the main city, close to the main city but out of the limit of the main city, and it will be it will be connected to the main city by good transport and communication system. Here students, we will get to know about the characteristic of satellite city. Some characteristic I have written here. See, it is a planned city. Always the satellite city will be the planned city. Like I am giving the example of Delhi capital. You know, Delhi is a overcrowded area, and Delhi, that also when this overcrowded condition, there are congestions and then pollutions, then people are not having enough place to live, then they started to move outward side, and then gradually the Noida, the extension Noida, Ghaziabad, these are also satellite city developed. And here we can see that also in a proper plan way, that residential area, commercial area, educational institution, or their sectors, everything, living place, everything properly, that plan way that it placed and set up. Next, it has all type of buildings. Buildings mean It can be office buildings, it can be administration, any of the offices, then houses, place, then school, colleges, and other also we can see other offices also. It can come within this that satellite city, and it will always have their own that municipal government or municipality. Means whatever it is happening within this satellite city, the local government of this satellite city will look after for that. Even sometimes they also manage the waste which is generated by the people of that satellite city. Here that its limits are defined, and it unnecessarily can't expand its area. It means whenever the satellite city are setting up, that unnecessarily they can't expand their area, as well as that its area will be defined. Means that if the satellite city want to expand its area, it should take permission from the main city or from the government, in that case, that wherever it want to expand its area, then it always be separated from the larger city. Here I have said that they will be well connected by a that effective transport system. But you also have to remember, in between the satellite city and the main city, there will be a geographical boundary. What kind of geographical boundary? There can be a that also a farmland. It can be a farmland which is separated, which basically separating the main city and the satellite city. There can be any river. So here I am going to give the example, and it can be a lake. Like, between Delhi and Noida, there is a river, that is Yamuna river. Yamuna river, and another also hidden river you can get to see, that is joining Noida and Greater Noida. And here then another that also satellite city, that Gurugram, which is joined by the main city, and it is a geographical area, that is the large farmland or the agricultural land we can get to see. Means there should be either a farmland or lake or river. So in that case, so any of this kind of geographical area should be there, and then the satellite city will be out of the limits of the main city. Next, some other points here. It will be connected by the main city by good communication system, already I have said, and the satellite city and the main city togetherly they can be it can be a part of metropolitan city. I think students, you know what is the definition of the metropolitan city. When the population of a city will be more than 10 lakh, that is known as metropolitan city. Like Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi and Kolkata, we are having metropolitan cities, and this also satellite city and the main city can be sometimes part of this metropolitan city. Here's some characteristic I have given. You can write more points about this satellite city here. Now students, I have covered this number 1 and 2. Number 3 I am going to tell what is smart. I think all of you are smart. That's why you are using mobile phones, and you are able to see my video. Here, same way that everyone in this time, in this modern world, we are smart. In this pandemic, we are taking also we are doing that live classes. You are taking live classes and video classes. So everywhere we are using some technologies, and here the technology, it is the main important part of our smart city. This term smart, wherever we use the technology. So in some cities where that every work done by technology, even the paying of electric bill, water bill, and any of the bill, even online shopping. Nowadays, people they don't like to move outside for search of any of the thing. They can search everything on their mobile phones or laptop, and then easily they can also order that, and then these products, it will reach to your doorstep. So doorstep it is coming, and without moving outside. So it is obviously the time of technology. So which cities are having all that facilities, all the work is doing by technology, by doing for shopping, for maintaining any records in schools, colleges, any of the institution, offices, paying bill of that electric bill, water bill, and other all the work whenever doing by using of that computers or the technology that is known as smart city. Do you know, in the world there are a number of smart cities also present, and also in our country some smart city we can see, and in the world New York City, Singapore City, even we can say that Dublin, then Vienna, number of these kind of smart city present, wherever everything is doing by that technology. In our also country, in India, we can see some smart city like Jaipur. You know Jaipur, which is situated in Rajasthan, that is one smart city. Next, here more also we can write that the name like Bhubaneswar, that also smart city of Odisha. Then we can write Patna, Jaipur, Bhubaneswar, Patna. These all are the smart cities in India. Even that Surat, that Ahmedabad of Gujarat, these are also smart cities, wherever everything is doing by that maximum work are doing by that technology. So here students, in this video we just got to know about satellite city, characteristic of satellite city. Obviously its example also I have given. Smart city, what is smart city, and smart cities example. In the exam it can come differentiate between satellite city and smart city. So in that case, first you will write definition for both. Number 2, the characteristic, you can write some features or characteristics. So characteristic you can write in that plant city. Obviously they will be connected to that main city by good transport system, then close but out of the limits. This point you can write. And here smart city point, that maximum use of technology, obviously it will come. Number 3, example. Okay. So here this way you can cover up these questions. So here students, I have completed this urbanization chapter here. Then we will meet with some new chapters. So till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much.